Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well and welcome back to our lesson. We continue our lesson again with the topic of looping with counter control. Okay, looping with counter control. Continue with the topic of n number of loop. The number of loop will be input by the user, and we move to the third step of the problem solving process, which is the implementation. And we are going to use the Java program. I hope you understand about the problem analysis and the algorithm that we did on the previous lesson. Okay, so now I want to show you how to write a code according to the algorithm that you did. Okay, this time we use the flowchart. Okay, flowchart, if you need to use the complete Java program for the answer, then these are the things that you need to write it down first. The program description. Okay, program description. So what is the purpose of this program? Who is the programmer and the version of the program? Okay, the import statement, the class. Okay, the class with the name that's suitable with to the program. Don't forget the braces open and close. Next, the main function or the main method open and close. I hope you have memorized all these things, right? Okay, good. Now we start. Okay, look at the flow chart. Number one, you have to find out all the variables that we are going to use. How many variables that we are going to use for this program? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then we have to declare all the variables that we are going to use. So this is the first step. Okay, and we have the input. If you have input, means you have the scanner. Okay, the scanner class, and you have to name the object for our scanner class. So what is my class name for the object name for the scanner? Yes, it is scan. Okay, then I declare the variable height in meter, weight in kilogram, BMI, data type is double. Then declare the variable of count in integer. Then I start to count with 0. Next, we get the user input. Okay, user input for the number of students. So first thing, I want to prompt the user to key in the total students. Next, then only I get the input total student from the user. So I declare the variables at once integer and students equal to my object name for the scanner scan.next integer. So remember we have to get the user input first for the number of loop before you go to condition, because we need to compare the number for the condition. So this one I use the while loop. So we'll start to write the condition. While count less than number of students. Number of students, where are we going to get the number of students? From the user input. Okay, when you write down while count less than number of students, don't forget the braces, open and close. Okay, because this is the function, okay, or the condition, no semicolon is its condition. Semicolon, remember, is only end of the statement. So if any function or condition, we have to use braces open and close for the block of the condition. So next, we just follow the same thing. Okay, so we have the input and the process and the output. Okay, and the output. Next one, the counter. Okay, we have to update the counter. Count equal to count Last one, this is statement, so we have to end with a semicolon. So counter update. Done. It's very easy, right? So this is our program for the problem statement. Calculate and display BMI for N students. Very easy, right? So I'm sure this time you have no problem to answer any type of the question for the looping with N number of loop. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. See you on next lesson.